Hi beauties, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a brow and lip wax on a client. So first, let's talk about what items you'll need to start this service. You'll need some cotton pads. You'll need a small scissors to trim any of the long hair. And you'll also need tweezers for those stubborn hair. And of course, a bunch of disposable sticks as well. You'll also need to cut out some wax strips to the size that you like. I like to have a spoolie to brush out the hair into place and to guide me when I'm trimming the hair. And don't forget to have a soothing serum to protect and soothe the skin after a wax. Then I like to have these water wipes that are great for prepping and cleaning up the skin. And lastly, have a wax that you like to use for this service. Let's start the session. First, I use a cleansing wipe to make sure there's no oils or makeup on the skin by taking a wipe and cleansing over the areas I'll be waxing, which are the brows and above the lips. While the skin dries, you want to make sure to scoop only a small amount of wax on one side of the stick and spread it thinly over the lip area at a 45-degree angle by tilting the edge of the stick. Make sure the wax is spread in the direction of hair growth. You can go over the wax to make sure that it is thin as possible. Now take a wax strip and lay it firmly over the lip area, but make sure there's a tail to grip on for the hair removal. Then hold the skin tight with your other hand and pull the tail in the opposite direction of hair growth with your dominant hand. I like to apply a little pressure on the area to ease the pain and repeat this step on the other side of the lip with a new stick and scoop of wax in strips. After the lips, we're going to move on to the eyebrows. Stephanie is so blessed with the most natural shape, and her hair points in the direction that we all want, which is up and angled. So I'm only going to clean it up, which will make it look really neat and full. I'm going to start by removing hair in between the brows. Again, I only scoop a small amount of wax and spread it in the direction of hair growth. I find that if you use too much wax at once, it becomes too messy and hard to control and remove. So less is more. Also, I like to apply my wax only as wide as the nose bridge and take it down to the sides of the front eyebrows for a clean and natural look. Since I have the wax where I want it, I'll take a wax strip and press it firmly over the wax to remove the hair. Remember to press down to allow all the hair to stick onto the strip. And don't forget to apply a little pressure to ease the pain. I just love the results here. If there is any wax still on the skin, I take the small strip and just press it firmly to remove it. Moving on to the arches of the brows, I like to take a spoolie to brush the hair into place so that I can see where I will be laying the wax next. And then with a scoop of wax, I like to apply it just below where I will be removing the hair. And then go over it with a stick so that I can spread it carefully to all the areas that I want to remove the hair to create the perfect shape. Also, when you are spreading the wax on, use the edge of the stick to guide you. This will give you the best control of where the wax is going, and work it in small sections instead of one long spread of wax along the brow, as this could lead to less precision. Then repeat the step on the other side of the eyebrow arch. So when I'm ready to place the wax strip on, I like to do it in small sections, as this will give the most control of where I will be removing the hair. It's all about placement here, trust me. To keep the brows natural and clean, I try not to remove too much hair above the eyebrows, as this area tends to have the least amount of hair. So using a small amount of wax and barely moving downwards will achieve the most natural and full look possible. And again, grab a fresh wax strip and gently place it down, and then press it firmly before removing the wax strip. And remember, what you do on one side, you have to do to the other side. I'm just going to take a tweezer and remove any stubborn hair, as this part makes a total difference. And ladies, don't forget to take a light oil and remove any sticky wax on the skin. Sorry, I forgot to mention this. And then I'm going to finalize these brows by using a scissors and spoolie to guide and trim long strands of hair. by brushing the brows up and then down and trimming the hair evenly. I complete this service with a calming serum to soothe the skin. Her brows are amazing, so natural yet clean and beautiful. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys all so much for watching.